I'm going to talk to you about one of my favorite tools. This is Gamma's PLN-ST7020. This tool is awesome, all right, because it's the only universal prep tool in the industry. It's manufactured with 3 different bushings. That's the 620, the 630, and the 650. Now, what does that mean? That means that you can use this prep tool on every cable in the industry as far as I know of. All you have to do is use the correct bushing. So even though it's a perfect marriage for Gamma's cable, which is awesome, okay, you can also use it with other brands that I shall not name on this video. So this prep tool, a lot of thought, a lot of work went into this prep tool. You can see that it's got 2 blades right here. These 2 blades can actually be replaced. So once you're done trimming with them, you can get anywhere from 100 to 250 trims. You want to make sure you replace those blades to keep them super sharp. All right, now what's also cool about this prep tool right here is that this T-handle actually comes off. You just use a Allen wrench, you loosen it up, and it comes right off. And then what you can do after that is you grab yourself your drill and you pop it into a drill. So it can go either way. I have customers who use this by hand because they like to be able to control it, and it's a very controllable way to trim cable. I also have customers who use the drill all day long. So just kind of a preference thing. It's also nice to be able to get in with the T-handle into small different locations that are hard to get into with the drill. So that's kind of a big benefit right there, because everything we do at Gamma, we do it so that we make the installer's job a little bit easier, a little bit more proficient and effective. That's what this tool does. This tool is absolutely amazing. I 100% believe in this tool. It's a great product, and I highly, highly, highly recommend it.